Today we're going to be installing the startx remote starter. If you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing because I'll be coming out with more videos like things I buy on Amazon. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. We picked this up off Amazon for it's about $130. I'm not really sure, but you can click the link in the description if you want to pick one up. It looks super easy to install. Just has this big wire harness right here. We're gonna plug one side into the OBD port and the other side, one of these wires goes into the module. And the kit comes with a bunch of zip ties. And then it also comes with another wiring harness, which this is so you can buy another module to where you can start your vehicle, I think anywhere in the world, with your phone, which is pretty cool. If you have the other module that attaches this wire, but we don't have that. We're just installing for the remote start, so let's get started. So this right here is what it looks like when your truck is too big for your garage. I have a decent sized garage. It's a 2-car garage, but my truck is still too big to fit in here, which is a bummer. I didn't realize that until after I bought the house. So we're gonna have to sell this house and buy one with a bigger garage someday. Maybe if this YouTube channel takes off, maybe we can buy a house with some land and a big workshop. Goals, right? But anyways, let's get started putting this remote start in the F-150. That way I don't have to run outside in my underwear in the mornings and start the truck when it's super cold outside. Yeah, I've been wanting a remote start for so long. Finally got one, and I'm super excited to get this hooked up in the truck. So let's get started. So step 1 says, remove the connector in the back of the OBD2 port.
The OBD2 port is this part right here, and there's a clip on the back side. We're gonna push this clip in. We're gonna pull the back of this wire harness out of here. That was super simple, super easy.
Step 2, plug the black connector from the T-harness into the back of the OBD2 port.
And this part plugs right into that. So it's pretty much just an extension from the old OBD port to this OBD port. They're the same thing pretty much. It just allows us to get our module in between the harness. So this will now be integrated into the truck's system.
Step 3, we need to connect the vehicle connector into the T-harness connector.
Oh, that was easy.
Follow the programming procedures. Press and hold the programming button. With your finger still holding it down, connect the black connector. The blue, red, yellow, and blue and red LEDs will alternate.
So right now we're gonna hold this black button right here until the LED light, where's the LED light at? Oh, these LED lights on top, we're gonna hold this button until the LED lights stay lit blue, and then we're gonna take the black connector and we're gonna plug that in. We're holding the button, now we gotta plug in the black connector. So now we wait till it stays blue. Now the lights are alternating. When the blue LED is lit, we're gonna release the programming button. There we go. Now it's staying blue. Now we're gonna plug in the white connector. Okay, now we have the black plug and the white plug plugged in. Now we need to take the keys. All we're gonna do is we're gonna take the keys, plug them in, turn the truck to the on position. The blue light should wrap, there we go, it's flashing rapidly. Now we just turn the truck off. As simple as that. Let's see what happens when we hit the button. I think we hit the lock button 3 times. Nope. Let's try lock, unlock, lock. Oh, this key, the battery is dead in this one. So we gotta try my other key. Let's try this one more time. We just hooked it up. Took about not even 5 minutes. Lock, lock, lock. That didn't work. You gotta shut the door. Let's try shutting the door, see what happens. My other key was in there, so maybe that's why it didn't work. Let's try it again. Lock, lock, lock. Okay, maybe lock, unlock, lock. That didn't work. Oh, yeah, it did. Woohoo! All right, so it's as simple as that. Running right now with no key in it. And the dash says to drive, turn the key to on. So this is the first time I've ever remote started my truck. That literally only took like maybe 5 minutes, and now my truck has a remote start. I called a place, or I went into a place that installs remote starts here in Wichita, and they actually told me to get remote start in my truck, it would be like $200 or $300, some crazy number like that. This kit on Amazon is $120, and it took me less than 5 minutes to get the whole thing installed and to get it to work. Like literally 5 minutes. Right now I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because it was so easy. If it messes up in the future, I will let you guys know. But for now, that's gonna be it for the video, I guess. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.